straight up, so he's locked. Oh, 3 we can go to. Let's go up to 2. Go back down to G.